Imagine a keyboard built with zero screws that still feels like a solid block of metal in your hands. The Cherry MX3's wireless claims to bridge the gap between high-end industrial design and professional gaming performance. But can it actually live up to the legendary Cherry name? When first picking this thing up, the weight of the extruded aluminum housing immediately tells the story of a device that is far beyond the average plastic peripheral. It is manufactured using a unique continuous die-casting process, where the circuit board is pressed directly into the frame. This creates a remarkably rigid and sleek profile that looks incredibly modern on any desk. But the real magic happens when the cords are cut. Using advanced wireless technology, this board hits a latency of less than 1 millisecond in gaming mode. That is essentially indistinguishable from a wired connection, giving players that competitive edge without the cable clutter. There is the flexibility of the 2.4 GHz band for speed, Bluetooth for multi-device productivity, or a standard USB-A to USB-C cable when it is time to top up the battery. Speaking of power, the smart charging technology is a lifesaver because it allows for continuous play while the internal battery recovers. Under the hood, the device features authentic Cherry MX Red switches. These are the gold standard for linear feel, offering a smooth and consistent keystroke that gamers have trusted for decades. The RGB backlighting is another highlight, pushing over 16 million colors that pop beautifully against the black finish. It feels like a piece of German-engineered machinery that just happens to be a keyboard. While some might miss the traditional screw-together construction, the structural integrity here is undeniable. It is fast, it is heavy in all the right ways, and it carries a 70-year legacy of quality into the wireless era. For anyone seeking a deck that feels as premium as it performs, this is a top-tier contender that proves wires are no longer a requirement to be unstoppable.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.